Good morning. It is Thursday, March 19th, 2020. It is the first day of spring. Happy first day of spring, everybody. Hopefully you've got a chance to go online, do our Google Classroom, take our question of the day. What is your favorite season? And look at yesterday's results and see, were there more people whose birthday it was or less people whose birthday it was? You can look at the numbers there. I've got my friends joining us again today as we continue doing our measurement, and it has to do with spring today. I also have a little math teaser to get us started with our springtime activities. So I'm going to read this information here. You guys are looking at the flowers. Let's see what it's going to ask us to do. It says bright bulbs. Canals and bikes and windmills too, grassy fields and skies of blue. In Holland Springs, the time of year for pretty flowers far and near. How many tulips are in bloom? A clever tack, you must assume. Mixing colors is the way to make a really smart bouquet. It says find the answers at the end of the book, but we can't do that. So it's asking us to figure out how many tulips there are all together. And we could count by ones because we know how to count accurately by touching it and saying the number out loud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We could do it that way, but it's giving us a little clue here. It says, a clever tack you must assume, mixing colors is the way to make a really smart bouquet. Mixing colors, so that makes me think it doesn't want us to count across, but to notice something about mixing the colors. I kind of see there's a gap right here between each of those. I wonder if that has something to do with their clue. If I just look here and I count these, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have a group of 5 here, and another group of 5, and another group of 5. So I think what they're trying to get us to do is to count by 5s instead of 1s. Let's see if it works. 5, 10, 15. Ooh. I'm going to count by 1s just to double check and see if that is what they wanted us to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It worked. So sometimes our brains can put numbers together to make it easier to add things up quickly. Count 5s and counting by 10s are friendly numbers, easy ways to do that. Pretty cool. This book is called Math for All Seasons by Greg Tang. It says mind-stretching math riddles. So every once in a while we'll do one of those. And since it was the first day of spring, I thought we could do one of the spring ones. Okay, another thing I want us to do for math today, since we've been doing measuring and it's the first day of spring, is I'm going to get a piece of paper. I've got some of these handy, but you can just use a blank paper, anything you want. And I want you to find something. You can look outside your window, or if you're able to go outside, find something growing that's shorter than you, and find something growing that's taller than you. So I could use baby goats, because baby goats are definitely shorter than me. If I go stand next to them. Oh, come here you. Come here you. Definitely shorter than me. So I could draw a picture of a baby goat. I could also draw one of my plants that I have here growing. I've got some romaine lettuce growing. I have actually a lot of plants growing around this room right now. So I could draw a plant that's growing smaller than me. Maybe you'll go outside and hear a bird and you can draw a bird that's growing smaller than you. So let's see here. I think I'm going to do my little romaine lettuce growing. So it had a little container. And it comes in 6s. So here's my box. Kind of going outside the lines here. My box, and I've got my little lettuces growing. Okay, and I'm going to say these are shorter. You can label your drawing too. These are shorter than me. I'm going to draw me. Remember, I'm trying not to do my stick figures here. Got my long sleeve because it's still spring. And I need a long sleeve to keep me warm. Color it in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I've got my pants on. Because it's chilly these mornings. And I just have my socks, but I'll just draw my feet like that. My hair is kind of messy right now. That's okay. And I've got my eyes, my nose, and I'm happy to be seeing all of you guys, even if it's just through the computer. Now I need something that's taller than me. I can label me. And I need my name. Miss Myers, so you can see that. Okay, shorter, me. Now something taller than me. Oh, I'm upside down. I look outside there. I can see some trees growing. Now I could take you outside, but I don't think my document camera will go that far. So you can go outside with a parent, but I'm going to draw my olive tree outside because that is growing really tall. Much, much, much taller than me. So I'm going to draw my tree. It might even be so tall it goes off the page. It's starting to drop all these olives all over the ground, so I have to go clean those up. I squish them and make olive oil all over the ground. So next to this one I can write taller. So we have taller, me, and something shorter. But again, you could find an animal, listen for an animal outside that's growing in the springtime. You could find a plant. You can find anything growing in the springtime that's shorter than you and taller than you. And you can post that, or you can just keep it for your own records to show us later. But whatever you do today, I hope you have a great spring day. Listen for the birds, smell the roses, do what you can do to be a little bit outside today and get some fresh air on the first day of spring. Have a great day. Bye.